Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Daniel's Hungry, and today we're making shredded chicken, rice, and broccoli on the Instantpot Nova Plus. For this recipe, we're going to be using 2 chicken breasts, 1.5 cups of rice, 1.5 cups of water, half a cup of shredded cheese, half a cup of onions, 2 tablespoons of butter, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of garlic powder. We're going to use 1 pound of broccoli and 4 cups of chicken broth. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to go over here to the Instant Pot and we're going to put saute. Okay. Once it's ready, we're going to add in our butter and onion. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and add our butter. Let that sizzle for shizzle. And then we're going to add our onions. We're going to saute these bad boys. Smells delicious. Okay guys, after they're translucent like this, we're going to go ahead and add our salt, pepper, and garlic powder. And our uncooked rice. And stir that. We're going to stir that for about a minute. Add 1 cup of chicken broth. Stir. Alright guys, really get in there. Go ahead and try to scrape everything off because that's where the flavor is. Oh yeah. Alright guys, we're going to add the rest of the chicken broth and we're going to put our water in as well. Okay. Got both in there. And I'm going to stir it real quick just to scrape the bottom. Alright guys, now we're going to add our chicken breast on top. Okay. Guys, we're going to close our lid. There we go. We're going to close our lid, put it to sealing. We're going to come over here and pressure cook for 10 minutes, guys. And that's it. Alright guys, once it's done, we're going to take out the chicken and shred it. Okay, we're just going to start shredding it like so. Okay, once you have it shredded, go ahead and put it back into the Instant Pot. Okay, we're going to give this a stir. And then we're going to go ahead and add our broccoli and our cheese. Alright guys, we're going to close the lid, seal it again, and we're going to go ahead and pressure cook one more time for 3 minutes. Alright guys, it's done, so let's check it out. Yummy, yummy. Alright, we're going to go ahead and serve. So here it is guys, let's give it a try. That is delicious guys. Super good. Super easy to make. Done in no time and it's delicious. So give this video a thumbs up, like and subscribe. Remember, only the strong subscribe.